Hello, it's Keto Time with Keto Granny. Welcome. Okay, I am going to talk about doing healthy keto, doing keto the healthy way. The ketogenic diet is a great diet for anyone to use if you want to lose weight, if you want to reduce inflammation in your body, if you want to have more energy, if you want to improve your overall mood. If you're moody, it improves your mood. If you want to curb your cravings for food, if you want your body to function better, all of these are benefits of a ketogenic diet. On this diet, you're going to have a lot of organic vegetables. You want to have full-fat organic dairy foods. When you get your meats and stuff, you want to make sure that you have wild-caught fish, grass-fed, pasture-raised meats, cage-free eggs. Now, the standard American diet, it promotes eating sugar, carbohydrates. This is not the correct diet. That we've been told for so long that we should eat so many carbohydrates. We had to have so many during the day, but they found that this is incorrect. They've been teaching us to have our bodies run on sugar. Now they're finding out that sugar is the culprit. Before they taught us that fat was the culprit. Fat is not the culprit. We need healthy fats in order for our bodies to develop correctly and to function properly. The standard American diet converts sugar into energy, and what we want to do is change to high fat, limit our net carbs, and this is going to produce ketones, which we will use for energy in our body, and we'll start to burn fat automatically once we do this. Your goal on the ketogenic diet is to switch your body from burning sugar energy to burning fat energy. When your net carbs get too high, it will kick you out of ketosis. You want to keep your net carbs between anywhere from 5 net carbs, I say 5 net carbs up to 50 net carbs. And it just depends on what you want to achieve and accomplish when you're doing the ketogenic diet. To find your net carbs are your total carbs minus your fiber, and I say minus your sugar alcohol. Some people count about half of the sugar alcohols, and then that will be your net carbs. Your body has the capacity to produce all the glucose that it needs, because your body does need some glucose, and this is called glycogenesis. Your body will produce the glucose that it needs from fat and proteins that you're taking into your body. So therefore, if you use fats or you eat fats, then your body's going to run on ketones, and you will still have the necessary glucose that your body needs to operate efficiently. Flip the switch, you're going to start burning fat automatically throughout the day, and you won't have to worry about it. So what you want to do is you want to start doing healthy ketosis, because some people do the keto diet, they lose so much weight and they start looking like a crackhead. This is not what you want to do. You want to do healthy keto, where you look healthy, you get to a healthy weight, and your body functions properly and healthily. Okay, so I hope you've gotten some information from this video that helps you. If so, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. That way you won't miss any videos that I share. I'm known as Keto Granny, and I am 64 years old. I started my weight loss journey at the age of 62 years old, and I weighed 330 pounds. I've now lost 115 pounds on the ketogenic diet, and I want to spread it around to others that you can get healthy. You can start at any age. If you are over the age of 40, you know that your metabolism slows down. So follow me. I'll give you diet tips, and we'll take this journey together. This is Keto Granny saying, let's go.